Soccer DBB number 43, and that is another 2016 Stadium Cup Premier. Good luck, one box. Stadium Cup Premier. 2 autographs per box. Thank you. It's tough to hit any really nice. If you have a case, then you get lots of same autographs, is what I heard of. But there are some tough pulls, some dual autographs. There are some nice players in there to hit. But they are numbered, and for that price, maybe it's worth it, a case. Gucke ich gleich mal. 2 auf 21. Könnte sein, dass ich sogar noch brauche. Ich sag dir noch Bescheid. Bei Putera bin ich noch nicht so hinterher wie bei Top. Ich denke mal, das hat auch Zeit. Wenn ich erst noch auf die anderen konzentriert, aber ist leider nicht so. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go. Let's see if we can pull something nice out of this one. Good base. We have Giulio Speroni for Crystal Palace, and that is contact sheet insert. We have base. Trying not to miss any. Sunderland, Jermaine Defoe. Team Marks. Gold is Wilfried Zaha, Crystal Palace. Contact sheet is Roberto Firmino, Liverpool. We got Sergio Aguero, T Marks, Man City. We have Right Mahrez for Leicester. No, that's a regular base. Autograph Jose Holebas, and that is Watford. Jose Holebas, Watford. Who has Watford in this one? Watford is Sergio. Watford autograph, regular one. We got a gold, Jamie Vardy, Leicester, and Memphis Depay first day issue for Man United. So, contact sheet is Harry Kane, and a red one for Everton. The Romelu Lukaku, number 250, 28 of 50. Everton, who is Everton? Ricky, wow, I took that one. Everton, Romelu Lukaku to 50. Team Marks is Grant Leadbitter for Middlesbrough. Gold, John Terry, Chelsea. Contact sheet, Marko Arnautovic for Stoke. We got Team Marks, Liverpool, Jordan Henderson, regular. There are 1-of-1s of those inserts. These are orange then, but really, really hard to pull. I need to check that I don't miss any. Golazo, Harry Kane, Tottenham. Nathaniel Klein autograph for Liverpool. Nathaniel Klein for Liverpool autograph. Liverpool ist Patrick. Nathaniel Klein. Ich mag das, dass sie diese Action-Fotos nehmen. Arnautovic ist cool. Einer meiner Lieblingsspieler in England. We got gold, Benteke for Palace, and the Premier logo is Fabianski for Swansea. Alright, that does it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time.